to fix VFS account login not working. So if you want to fix VFS account not working or the login page not working, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. Now, once you've checked your internet connection, if that doesn't fix your problem, then open up your browser in which you're using your VFS account. So just go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then tap on delete browsing data and tap on delete data, which is on the bottom right, or just go with the date range and go with last 15 hours. Last 15 minutes or last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days or 4 weeks or all time. You can simply choose any one of those and then go with delete data. And once you've deleted the data, then your problem might be fixed. You can go with the VFS Global login page and your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just go with your Play Store, go with search and search for Chrome and go and update the Chrome browser if it is not up to date. And once you've updated, you can simply restart your device, and after restarting you can go back to the login page and it will fix your problem. So that's how you can fix VFS account login not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.